Hey guys, welcome back to my video today. I have a toy that you guys might want to see. And it's nighttime. I think you can guess. So I'm going to show you the toy. It's a little bird in the house. It's the cutest toy ever. And also that you have to just press that button there, and then you have to like say something, and then you press it off, and then it says the same thing that you just said. And if you wanted me to take it out, say yes or no. Yes? Okay. Here is she. Look. That's so cute. I love my parents. They're the most love of my life. I love my parents. They're the most love of my life. Can you believe that, guys? She's blue. She changed colors. Is that cool? And how to put her back in, you just got to do this. You see these parts right here and the end of these fins, you got to put them right there and stick it on. And also how to lock it up. You got to do this, connect it to each other, and then get this, lock it. That's how you make it. Ta-da! Well, he's a little laying down. Don't worry. So, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up.